One of the elements that most change the expression in appearance is the hair. For this reason, everyone, male or female, wants to have bushy, natural-looking, lively hair. The structure of the hair varies according to race, gender, age, hormones produced by the body, the level of stress, diet, genetic heritage, and environmental conditions. Each strand of hair grows, and falls through phases over time. As the hair sheds, the hair follicle is fed by the body and new hair is produced. This cycle occurs 20 times in a person's lifetime. Under normal conditions, a healthy person sheds 100 hairs per day. Hair growth, on the other hand, slows down as we age. Hair loss can occur due to unbalanced diet, diseases, or stress. The first rule of obtaining healthy hair that grows easily is a healthy diet. Hair, which consists of a protein called keratin, is fed from the body through its roots. In order to have healthy hair, externally applied care and cosmetic supplements are definitely not enough alone. Things to do for the hair to grow in a healthy way. Drinking 1.5 to 2 liters of water a day ensures healthy hair growth. The moisture source water, which prevents the hair from drying and breaking, also cleans the toxins in the body. Against the question of how hair grows, the main point to be emphasized is the foods consumed and the vitamins taken. Protein-rich foods should be consumed in order to nourish the hair, which consists of protein. Healthy keratin production can be helped by feeding with ideal protein sources. In vitamin C deficiency, the hair weakens, becomes dull, and falls off easily. Combing the hair in the morning and evening contributes to the growth as it massages the scalp. Using a wide-toothed comb prevents hair from breaking off. It is necessary to avoid applying heat treatment to the hair during the healthy hair growth process. Products such as hair dryers and hair straighteners, which provide convenience in daily life, take the moisture of the hair due to high heat, cause it to dry and break. Hair care cream helps hair grow quickly by giving moisture to the hair. Applying once a week is sufficient. Products such as gel and spray used to shape the hair contain a lot of chemicals. These products with silicone adhere to the hair shaft and hair root, preventing the hair from breathing. It wears the hair and breaks its strands, does not allow the hair to grow fast by damaging its naturalness. Shampooing the hair by taking a shower every day is harmful for the hair. Washing the hair 3 times a week is sufficient to maintain its own moisture balance. It is very harmful to sleep with hair that is braided at night and gathered in a ponytail. It causes the hair to break off and fall out. Washing by massaging the scalp accelerates blood circulation in the skin. Thus, the hair follicles are stimulated and the hair grows faster. Hormones secreted due to stress cause hair loss and prevent it from growing. Staying away from stress is essential for hair health as well as whole body health. Apple cider vinegar. Especially homemade apple cider vinegar is very effective in revitalizing the hair. After washing your hair with shampoo in the bathroom, add half a tea glass of apple cider vinegar to a bucket of water and rinse your hair with this mixture. Apple cider vinegar maintains the pH balance. Thus, the hair gets a more lively and shiny appearance, and it grows faster. It also supports the hair growth process by cleaning the scalp and allowing the roots to breathe. Henna. Henna gives moisture to the hair and makes dry hair shine again. Calms frizzy hair. It gives vitality to dull hair. It both cares and colors the hair. It strengthens the hair roots. Mix 1 cup of henna with half a cup of yogurt and apply to all your hair strands. Wait until the mixture completely solidifies and dries in your hair. Then wash with shampoo. Olive oil. Olive oil contains plenty of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a very useful mineral for the scalp and hair follicles. It revitalizes and nourishes the hair from the root. Thus, the hair grows quickly without fraying. Thanks to olive oil, the hair becomes more lively, shiny, and moist. Sesame oil, like olive oil, is rich in vitamin E. It both ensures rapid hair growth and cures hair diseases. It has therapeutic properties against a fungus that occurs on the scalp. While it makes the hair grow, it also adds volume to the hair. Almond oil. Almond oil contains vitamins A, B, and K. In addition to vitamins, it also contains calcium, potassium, and some fatty acids. It is among the most preferred vegetable oils for hair growth due to its strengthening feature by nourishing the hair follicles. Indian oil. Castor oil contains plenty of vitamin E and is rich in protein. It accelerates blood circulation and nourishes the hair from the root. When applied once or twice a week, it ensures rapid hair growth. In addition to hair growth, it also heals hair infections. Lavender oil. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, it cleans the scalp deeply. It prevents the occurrence of scalp diseases. Thus, the hair root is strengthened, the hair grows rapidly, and becomes thicker. In addition to reproducing hair strands, it also helps to repair dry and damaged hair. It gives moisture to the hair. It ensures healthy and shiny hair growth. The scent is also very nice. Argan oil has become very popular recently and has been used in many hair products. It moisturizes the scalp. It helps hair to grow fast and healthy. It gives vitality to dry, broken, and worn hair. However, it is quite expensive and pure. Real argan oil is difficult to find. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil of many products such as conditioners and shampoos is very beneficial for the scalp rather than directly contributing to the rapid growth of hair. It prevents the formation of dandruff and scalp infections. Thus, it strengthens the hair and allows the hair follicles to breathe. It revitalizes the hair in this way and gives shine. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants. When brewed and applied to the hair, it purifies the scalp from toxins thanks to the antioxidant it contains. It allows the hair roots to breathe. Thus, it prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. Garlic. Garlic accelerates blood circulation and allows the hair to be nourished from the root. In this way, the growth rate of the hair is also increased. It can be applied to the hair by adding 1 clove of garlic to olive oil or coconut oil. This mixture gives vitality to the hair. Snake oil. It is an oil produced from snake skin. Snake oil soap is also produced from this oil. Instead of shampoo, this soap can also be used for hair cleaning. Snake oil helps to give a healthy look to dull, dry, and lifeless hair. It can be applied to the hair twice a week. It allows the hair to grow fast and healthy. Palm oil. Palm oil contains high amounts of vitamin E. It makes hair grow fast. However, it should not come into contact with the scalp while applying. It is applied to the ends of the hair and left for 10 minutes. It gives vitality and moisture to the hair. Sea salt protects the hair fiber against abrasive factors such as the sun. Sage oil. Sage oil prevents hair loss. When applied to the hair by mixing with apple cider vinegar and rosemary oil, it provides rapid hair growth. Rosemary oil. This oil obtained from the rosemary plant accelerates blood circulation and stimulates blood vessels. In this way, it helps the hair to grow faster. When applied to the scalp, it allows the hair follicles to breathe and strengthens the hair. It can be used in every hair wash by mixing it into the conditioner used. When used in this way often, it is seen that the hair grows quite quickly. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, which is included in the content of many skincare products, also contributes to the rapid and healthy growth of hair. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 cup of aloe vera extract and apply the mixture to your hair. After waiting for 30 minutes, wash your hair with shampoo. When aloe vera is used at regular intervals, it is seen that the hair grows in a bright and healthy way. Linseed oil. It contributes to the rapid growth of hair. It nourishes the hair roots and gives the hair a healthy, fuller appearance. When applied to the scalp once a week, it helps those who want to grow their hair quickly. Daisy. It prevents infection on the scalp, protects the hair, and prevents it from being worn out. It gives moisture to the scalp. Thus, dandruff and skin itching are prevented. Chamomile oil can be applied once a week by massaging the scalp. Coconut oil. It is very rich in protein. It is found in many shampoos and conditioners. It gives moisture to the hair, repairs broken and damaged hair. It is very useful to apply it to the hair and leave it for 15 minutes every time you take a bath. Hair growing mask recipes will come in the next videos. Thank you for watching the videos. Let's not forget to follow and like our channel. I wish you a healthy and happy day.